Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
On Food Pyramid. Food Pyramid is a visual...
Ka Central Bureau of Communication ka bahab hapo ka Jingbam jong Ministry of Information and Broadcasting ka Sorka India haga khatway terik risaw arajar arpulai kala pelong ya ka exhibition but ka outreach program halor ka phang Swachh Bharat and Poshan Abhiyan daga babu hakmat ban Pynsngewthuh siya gipat ba jong ka temri boy bakin long gi basumar ya gi saudong saukun jong ka may mariang bat halor ki Jingbam Teimet khanang ba ginong song shnong kin long gi ba Koit ba Khiah yagane ka program ka balai sngi ka balalong ha Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpo Lapli dau Assistant Commissioner jong ka Ribhoy Manish Kumar rengkat ka Jingdon lang jong ka Additional Director General jong ka Zonal Central Bureau of Communication ha Guwahati ka Jane Namchu Head Officer jong ka Central Bureau of Communication Shillong Gopaljit Das Nongmi khmat na ka CNRD Block Umling ba Biangbok Basayomoit ka Nutritionist na ka Office DPO ka Kong Di Shilla bat kiwe Hagani ka sngi ka Central Bureau of Communication kalapun ko buram ya unong hikay jong ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School Madhav Singh halor ka jingyo ya ka National Award haga Teachers Day balaay da ka President jong ka ri India ka Draupadi Murmu New Delhi Dangshen.
Talk about policies and programs. If we do not have the base, we cannot go forward. What happens is funds come in and go, and we still stay at the same level. Then we say we have nothing in our data to show. Here as children who have been adolescents, and the officer from the CDPO has clearly talked about it. The adolescence is a period when it is extremely important to have the right food. We have to talk about a balanced diet. We do not have to look outside what we have. Look into your own food. I would say this because each region has its own food. Each place has its own food. You have your own fruits and vegetables. Why do we go out? Why do we not look at our own food and look at our own dietary habits? I have been to many programs over the years when we keep on talking about portion. And then there has been a very disturbing fact that has been brought in many times, that there have been, incidents of children having tuberculosis, having a sore in their intestine. So this is very difficult to, it becomes very expensive because health is expensive, taking care of your health. And preventive health is the most important. Do we eat instant noodles? Even I do eat. I don't deny it. But then it should not become a full meal. Biscuits should not become a full meal. And so we should look into our own diets. What we can get from our own fruits and vegetables. Maybe if you can, if you grow, do not look down upon it. Because many a times we think that, the other people are saying theirs is better. But then for our own environment, our food is the best. That is what I feel. And this is, you have a teacher who's been talking about environment. And it is such a privilege to be with him here. Because everything, as the student rightly pointed out, I cannot catch your name because I might get the pronunciation wrong. But then, as she rightly pointed out, it is all interrelated. Whether it is portion, whether it is swachhata, because in many places when we talk about this, they are breeding grounds of ponds. People have to use the same water, whether to cook or to wash. They don't have much of a choice. And then we have diarrhea. Now at present we talk about dengue. These are things that we have to do preventively on our own. And I would request whatever officers who are here, teachers who are here, that you tell children, you can ask them, what are the things that they can identify with? Because we come and we talk about speeches and we give speeches. But there should be something that they can identify it in their own local environment. What is healthy for them, and Meghalaya, where Swachhata is concerned, is far ahead.
Word welfare, government is running hundreds of schemes, and to run those schemes we are spending, means government is spending lakhs of crores every year, and it was found that the success of these schemes is not up to the mark as government expect. So where we are lagging, so there is a lot of problem with the awareness and especially the acceptance among the people, because these schemes are made for them. So if you look at the example of malnutrition or nutrition, government is running a lot of schemes to achieve the goal of nutrition, because on the basis of 100% nutrition you can build a healthy and strong nation. But if you look at the problem of malnutrition, Meghalaya has a peculiar high percentage of malnutrition in the state. And to overcome these problems, we are running a number of schemes to provide the nutritional support, like early childhood care mission is being launched recently. There is a NFSA mission, there is a midday meal schemes, but there is still a lot of things to be done. And to achieve those goals, government has come up with this idea to promote the awareness and outreach among the people, so that the community can benefit from these schemes. Because awareness level is too low in our country, because most of the people live, because 70% people lives in the rural area, and because of lack of proper information, especially the right information, people are not availing their benefit. These benefits are meant for them, a lot of funds is there. So to extend those benefits in far-flung area, we are extending these schemes, or especially the outreach program in all the schools and all the panchayat area. So I thank to Central Bureau of Broadcasting Shillong and especially the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting to promote these schemes under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav 1947, so that we can achieve the goal that we make or prepare before launch of any scheme. So we have wide ranging of events for these 3 days, like competition, and to promote the idea of what is the benefits of nutrition, sanitation, and many more things.